Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Xbox Game Pass for free. So as you can see, I got Xbox Game Pass Ultimate right there. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. You can see right there, it actually says redeemed with coupon code. So let's get straight into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So basically there's a website, guys, called zestcoupons.com. They have a lot of discount codes and stuff like that. So once you get over to the website, just go to the search bar and just type in Xbox, and as you can see it says free Game Pass, so just press on it and then press show coupon code and wait for it to load. So after it loads, guys, it's just gonna make you just press get full code and it's gonna load this page right here, and it makes you put in your email, so make sure you enter it, guys, because they're gonna send this to your email. So this is very important, guys. Obviously they will send the Game Pass code to your email. Now the first thing you have to do after entering your email is fill out this. It's very easy, guys. Make sure you do it. It's like your name and address. They're not sending you anything physical, so it's fine. And then the deals thing, you can see it says complete one deal to continue. You'll probably see a page like this as well, and this is okay, guys, don't get scared, but you can see it says $0 cost, Monopoly Go, complete board level 10. So make sure you do that, guys. It's very simple, but I'm gonna see you guys in another video. So if you guys are interested in getting the Xbox Game Pass for free, be sure to try this out. It actually works and it's super cool, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, all you gotta do basically is just like enter your email address to get started, and obviously I'm not gonna show you guys my email, but that's all you gotta do basically. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, it's fully working, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, if this video works, you guys be sure to go ahead and share. I'm gonna see you guys later. Yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out, bro.